Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing my summer makeup routine, kind of what I do every day but like not if I'm in a hurry. And it's just like kind of my go-to makeup look for like a glowy, fresh, nice makeup look. So don't mind like my skin around my eyebrows, I just tweak them, so that's why they look like, that's why my skin looks really crazy here. Without further ado, we're gonna get started. Before I do my makeup, I always apply my It lip balm or just any type of lip balm, just because I want my lips moisturized before I start with my makeup, because when I put like foundation and powder over my lips, I want to be able to take off that foundation off my lips pretty easily, so that's why I always apply some lip balm. I'm going to be starting off with primer. I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I'm going to be applying this mostly around my nose and then forehead and chin. And I've been recently using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. I recently ordered this online and I've been really liking it. After I do that, I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I really like this. I don't really know if it makes a difference, but like, I don't know, I just like spraying my face with. You need to like press hard, otherwise it like squirts like crazy, you know? Okay, so once I've done all those steps, I'm finally going in with my foundation. I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. I've been using this recently for a couple weeks, I think, and I really like it. The first reason is just because it's like a foundation and concealer. It's like 2-in-1, so I don't even feel like I have to apply a lot of concealer after. I will do it this time, but I usually like really don't if I'm in a hurry, and if I don't have a lot of time to do my makeup, I'll use this and just like have like a 2-in-1 product in it, you know. It's really quick. The only bad thing is that the like applicator, it is kind of like unsanitary, but otherwise I really like it. So what I do is just kind of like, so I'll just put some underneath my eyes. For a concealer part, I'll put some on the bridge of my nose, on the sides, forehead, like so, and then I just do like one stripe like this, a little here, my chin, and then I do one right here, right there, like this, and then the same on the other side. And then I put like a little extra on my blemishes. And then I'll usually, sometimes I go in with like my Morphe sponge, and sometimes I'll go in with like my Morphe Y6. I don't know, it really depends. I'm gonna go in with the Y6 brush from Morphe, of course. So yeah, I'm just blending all that out. My cat, I swear, she is so annoying. And then I'll go in underneath my eyes. Okay, so I'm done with that. I'm now gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. I don't go in with too much. I have two of these MAC Pro Longwear concealers. I think I'm gonna go in with this one because it's a little bit lighter. So I'm gonna use the MAC Pro Longwear concealer in the color NW15. I'll put like a little bit on the back of my hand. Not too much, because like I said, I don't need a lot more coverage than I already have on my face. Oh, that's a little too much. Oops. Oh well, it's fine. I'll just blend that out. So I finished blending my concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes, chin, nose, kind of all the, you know, oily spots. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Fix loose powder. It's kind of like a really white powder. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend my under eyes so there's no creases. Then I'm gonna go in with the second powder. So I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Falls Finish Powder. And I'm gonna just make sure everything is set. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with my Holy Grail product. I freaking love this product so much. I'm gonna go in with the MAC Studio Fix powder in the color NC25. And the trick that I've been doing for a while now is I've been taking the Morphe Y6 brush and I just go into powder like so. Give like a little bit more coverage. Ooh. Okay, next step is contour and bronzing. So I'm gonna use, this is the first time I'm gonna use it on camera, but I'm gonna use the Too Faced Natural Face palette. So this has, let me just show you the packaging. It's so pretty. So it basically has two highlights, which I don't use very often because they're not very like every day. They kind of have like a sheen to them, like a purplish kind of. It's not like one color. I hope that makes sense. And then it has like two blushes and then two like bronzers. Like, I think it's like a bronzer and a contour, I'm not really sure. So I'm gonna be using these two for now. So for like bronzer, more type of situation. So I'm first gonna go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is like everyone's favorite, honestly. Like, I freaking love this. I'm gonna be using the Morphe M527 brush, and I'm just gonna bronze my face. Then I'm gonna snatch my nose up a little bit. I usually don't do this, but YOLO. So I'm gonna use this Morphe Y10 brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm just gonna go in lightly and, I don't know, make that nose a little bit. I don't like to put too much because I don't like to accentuate my nose too much because I don't like my nose. I put a little bit right here. And then I take the Morphe M556 brush and I just go in a little bit under my jaw. I'm gonna go in with like a little bit of a shimmery bronzer, so I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna go in with the color Tropic Like It's Hot. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit, not too much, and use it as like a contour, but mostly like a shimmer above the contour, like above the Too Faced bronzer. Then I'm gonna go in with blush, so I'm gonna use this Morphe brush again, of course, Morphe. I don't know like what the name of this one is. It just has a white handle, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Pink Sand, which is this one. I don't go in with too much because otherwise it looks like too crazy, and these shadows are so pigmented, like you're kidding me. So I go in with a little bit. Okay, that was already too much. Okay, great. I go in with a little bit right here because Summer McKean did that on her face and it looks really good. Like when she puts like bronzer and like blush right here, makes it look like you have a sunburn, which I actually like, and I don't know why. I mean, I like it on her. I don't know if I love it on me, but now I'm gonna go in with a highlight. So I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is the Kilowatt highlighter in the color Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. This is such a pretty highlighter, and I use it like every single day. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, I use this so much. I'm gonna be using for the brush, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia 823 brush. I really like this brush for highlighting as well. It's really good. So I put it right here, like so, and just kind of blend, and then like underneath my brows a little bit here. Just so I like how that looks. So blinding. Ooh, like look at that. That's just, it's crazy. Like it's really crazy. Ooh. After using that brush from Anastasia, I'm gonna use another brush. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm just gonna put some highlighter on the tip of my nose. So I do like this. I put it like a little bit higher so it makes my nose look like a little bit higher, you know? And then I put a little bit like in the middle right here of my eyes. And then I go down a little bit like so. So that is how my face looks. And I know it looks a little bit crazy, but wait till the end. Just went in with the bronzer and stuff, so fine, because we're gonna fix it and make it look a little bit more natural. This is not a natural makeup look, you guys. This is like an everyday summer glowy look, you know, so don't get offensive. Okay, so once I do that, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. And this is just to kind of melt in all the powders and make it look more nice. Face. So the next step I'm gonna do is fill in my brows. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. I use this every time when I do my brows because I'm just obsessed with it. So, and because this takes a really long time, I'm gonna speed up this process, and you guys don't have to watch the whole filling in my brows process because it takes a really long time. So I'm gonna speed this up and you're gonna see me do my brows. Okay, then sometimes I'll clean up my eyebrows and sometimes I don't. I am gonna clean them up just a little bit because they're a little wonky. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, but I'm not gonna film it. Then I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow, and I'm just gonna set my brows in place. So then we're gonna go into eyes. I usually do a quite simple and quick eye look. So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe E27 brush, and I'm gonna take Santa Baby, which is this one, as a transition. So I just blend this. I really blend as well as I can. Okay, next I'm gonna take the Morphe M330, and I'm gonna use Ginger Snap, which is this one, and I'm just gonna put that right in there. I'm gonna take the Morphe E14 brush. I'm gonna go in with the Ginger Snap color again, and I'm just gonna run this through my lower lash line, but like concentrating more in like the middle and like towards the inner corner. And then I'm gonna take Santa Baby again and putting that next to the yellow color. I'm gonna take the same brush again, the E14, and I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna take Primavera, which is that one, and I'm just going to pack this on the inner half of my eye, and also creating kind of like a cut crease kind of situation. So I'm just kind of like doing this. And then lashes. I'm gonna curl my lashes just lightly. I don't push too hard, otherwise my lashes like break off. And I don't want that to happen, so. And then for my mascara, I'm gonna use the Maybelline The Colossal Big Shot. I really like this mascara. I've been using it for ages now, and it's so good. I go in quite lightly. I brush up like so. And then I'm putting a little bit on the lower lash line. I'm not putting too much because it tends to like smudge pretty easily. So I put a little bit on, not too much. I'm just gonna do that. I recently got these Becca glow glosses. These are so nice. I have one in the color rose gold and one in the color champagne cream. I don't really know which one to use right now. I think I'm gonna use this one because it matches the eyes better. I'm gonna use this one. So this is in the color champagne cream. This also has a really nice like applicator. I just love lip glosses. Honestly, I used to never be a lip gloss fan, but now I'm obsessed with it. I feel like the reason why I hated lip gloss is because the lip glosses that I had were like pretty sticky and they used to be just like horrible. But I have discovered some really nice glosses like these ones, for instance, and I really like these. They're not sticky, they feel good on your lips. I'm gonna finish off with a little bit of MAC Prep and Prime. And then a little bit of the Glam Glow Glow Setter. This is almost finished. I'm so sad. The last thing I will do is, I will not always do this, but I sometimes take my beauty blender that I wet, of course. So I'll take my beauty blender or just a beauty sponge, which is, in my case, the Morphe sponge. And what I do is I just go in with a clean side, not one with foundation, just a clean side. And I'll go over my face, over the highlight, over the bronzer, over the blush. But I just make sure it doesn't look cakey, it looks nice. Like especially the highlight, I really like to go over it because it makes it look a little bit more a glow from within. You know, I really like using this trick and it does really help, I feel like. And I just feel like 100% like ready. I just feel like I can rule the world. So that is my everyday summer makeup routine. It's not quick. I really like this look. It's so pretty. But that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for weekly videos, because I do upload, or I try to at least. I upload every week. It's either like Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, but I try my best, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.